Hello mga kaprete! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga kaprete, I really wanted to make a video reaction about Alexi May Brooks. So I know all of you mga kaprete, you are very excited about the performance of Alexi. And since the beginning, when she arrived in Egypt, you can see how she's really prepared for the competition. The gown, the dress that she wear every single day was fantastic, and I really wanted to give a big clap and applause and thank you for the designer, for the organization and itself, and of course to the people behind this kind of support with Alexi. The gown, the dress that she wore every time that she's going out was really overwhelming, very really fantastic, and of course she's really ready to conquer the Eco International, and we're really hoping that we get back the crown for Miss Eco to International 2025. So I'm gonna just sharing with you mga kasawsaw about the gown that she wore for the preliminary competition. And I felt like, everyone in the comment section just like thinking why she's not getting on the top six, why she's not getting on the best gown, evening gown, or best gown for preliminary competition. Guys, even me, I will just like thinking, I will just ask myself why the gown was perfect, the gown who designed the golden gown. It's really regal, the way Alexi Brooks walking on the stage with 360 turn, and talagang napapawaw talaga ako mga kasawsaw kasi talagang she's really preferred to win the base and evening gown, but it was too sudden. But I think this is not the end. The competition will just start, and we're just hoping to get the crown, and even top that we only get the national costume top 6. And of course, the preliminary gown, hindi tayo nakapasok mga kasawsaw on top 6. So, a little bit sad, but it's okay. It's a competition. We need to respect those judges who choosing their, best in gown and top model, and who are getting on the top 6. So those candidates, I really wanted to say congratulations to Miss Brazil to get the best evening gown, the best gown for preliminary competition, and of course Mexico, who got top model on that preliminary gown. And of course, I'm very proud to Thailand also. Thailand was fantastic. Thailand was so friendly, down to earth. Girl, you're amazing. She's the one who are really supporting to our beauty queen Alexi. She's really there. And of course Indonesia. Guys, the problem with this kind of situation, guys, kasi nga yung mga basher lang naman they're just like fighting each other, but they really don't know about what really happened in the competition, that Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines was really have a good type of friendship. They build a good relationship each other, and they're just enjoying the competition. There's no yung pairingan ganun, wala. They're just like enjoy the moment when they are in Egypt. And you can see Thailand how she support our queen Alexi May Brooks. So nakikita mo talaga yung concern ni Thailand, the gown. She's really concerned about Alexi, and of course Miss Indonesia. She's so friendly also, and I love Miss Indonesia. If there's a choice na kung si Alexi ba sa tatlo sila, kung sino yung manalo sa tatlo, hoping that when they get on the top 5, and if those 3 beautiful ladies getting on the top 5, kung sino yung manalo, I'm happy for them. Kasi nga, napaka talaga yung friendship nila. And of course, those top 6 who are getting on the best in who are on the top 6 in the preliminary competition gown, Mexico, Brazil, the best gown nga, yung nakuha niya yung best preliminary gown. Thailand, South Africa, and also Puerto Rico, if I'm not mistaken. And yun, Thailand. So Mexico won the top model, and best in evening gown was Brazil, and Costa Rica, South Africa, New Zealand, and Thailand getting on the top six. So I feel like just asking myself, lahat naman tayo nagtatanong tayo kung bakit hindi na nakapasok si Miss Alexi May Brooks. That I can see her gown was regal talaga, mga kasawsaw. The gold was really the color of the gown was really fitted on her skin, and the walk that really make us a big impact. Kaso maliit lang nga lang yung stage, so slowly lang si Alexi. But of course, we really say thank you to Seiji kasi nga she's the trainer, and nagawa naman ni Alexi yung walk niya, napakaganda, napaka-elegante. But this is not the end, mga kasawsaw, mga ka-pretty. So I think on the final competition, sana we hoping that we get back the crown. And of course, Alexi did well. So wala po tayong maano sa ano niya kasi nga talagang magaling siya sa question and answer. Perfect. The gown, the walk, the pasarela, and of course, the friendship that she getting on those another candidate, talagang it's a big impact also kasi nga napaka-friendly niya. And I really wanna say thank you to Indonesia, terima kasih, and Thailand, Swadika. You are so amazing girl, and you really have a good relationship with our queen Alexi May Brooks. And whatever it happened, three queens. So those getting on the top 5, lagi kong inuulit, mga kasawsaw, na sana kung sino yung manalo, proud ako sa inyong tatlo kasi nga napakabuti ninyong queen. At of course, si Alexi, ginawa naman, she did very well, she worked hard, and she's really prepared to compete in Eco International. And we cannot say any lapses or any issue about Alexi May Brooks kasi nga talagang ginawa niya yung the best niya. So sa mga buzzer dyan, just like asking na hindi naman nanalo yun sa Alexi kasi blah 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 blah, please respect, be kind, and spread love lang tayo. And I hope that Alexi will prove us that she's not only a queen, but of course Alexi, you can see the good heart that she spreading in entire competition kasi nga nakita mo talaga na lahat ng even in another candidate, talagang nakipagkaibigan siya at nakisabayan din siya sa mga jamming. So nakakatuwa na makita mo si Alexi na nag-enjoy sa competition, even that what happened, what the struggle that she encountered in her life, di ba? Her grandmother passed away, so it was too sad because yung lula niya yung parang kaya lumalaban siya sa buhay kasi yung lula niya yung inspiration niya. So ganun talaga, mga kasawsaw. Sometimes hindi natin parang mabibigla tayo sa mga nangyari, pero we need to stand up and be strong, and of course fight for the future. And of course I see talaga na malaki ang kumbaga malaki yung chance na manhalo si Alexi Brooks. So, supportahan lang natin, mga kasawsaw, mga ka-pretty. Enjoy lang natin manood sa competition. And of course, sana makuha nga niya, masungkit nga niya yung Corona crown. And of course, happy ako dahil talaga I really wanna say thank you to the organization of Miss Eco International, and of course thank you for those people who are behind of this preparation, because when I saw Alexi May Brooks in the competition, you can see how she really prepared, and yung mga gown na suot niya, yung mga sa paglabas-labas niya, yung mga suot niya talagang ready talaga siya to conquer the Eco International crown and hoping to get the crown. So that's all for today mga kasawsaw at mga ka-pretty. Update tayo sa ganap ni Alexi May Brooks. I know that she will win and get the crown. I'm just like hoping. So those people that are still not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Just click subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell para always updated ka sa aking mga ganap. Salamat!